today I'm going to teach you guys about equivalent fractions. Does anyone know what equivalent fraction means? Naya, what do you think it means?
I think it means like that you break stuff apart.
You break stuff apart and you make it into equal parts?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? Good guess. So I'm gonna first, before I get ahead of myself, what do you guys think is bigger? 1/4 or 1/2? So raise your hand if you guys think it's 1/4. Okay, so 1/4, we have So we have 9 people that think it's 1/4. How many people think that it's 1/2? So 3. Why do you guys think 1/4 is bigger? Cam?
Because the bottom number is bigger.
Because the denominator's bigger, right? So that makes sense to me. 1/4 would be bigger. Reagan, why do you think that 1/2 would be bigger?
Because it's 2 parts.
Because it's 2 parts? Good guess, you guys are both on track. So, what if I told you that 1/4 was smaller than 1/2? Crazy, huh? So we're gonna do a fun little activity, and I'm gonna show you guys how that works. Sound good? Okay, so don't fold or anything like that. So let's look. So everyone look at their piece of paper. Is this 1 sheet or 2 sheets of paper? One sheet. So I'm going to show you guys my handy dandy little. So this is 1 whole. So it's 1/1, so that's 1. 1 whole. Okay, so see how this is 1 whole? How cool would it be if I could show you guys that you could make this into 1/2? So what we're going to do is we're going to fold it once. Just like that. So then we're going to open it up. So how many parts do we have? 2. So this is 1/2, 2/2. So 2. So 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 2/2. Does 2/2 fit on the whole?
Yes.
Yeah. So now fold it once just like before. And then fold it one more time. And then we're going to unfold it. How many parts do we have now? 4 parts. So ready? We're going to count together in halves. Ready? 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So 4/4 equals 1 whole. Do you guys see that? So next, we are going to fold it one more time. So fold it the 2 times and then fold it a 3rd time. So it's just like this.
Oh.
So now we're going to unfold it. And let's count together how many squares we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one would be 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. So 8/8 equals 1 whole. So now let's fold it 3 times just like before. And then we're going to fold it a 4th time. And it's going to look itty bitty, just like this. So now, let's unfold it. See how many lines there are, so each part? So we're gonna count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there's 16. And we're not going to count all of them, but let's count halfway. Sound good? So we have 1 16, 2 16, 3 16, 4 16, 5 16, 6 16, 7 16, and 8 16. If we counted all those together, it'd be 16 over 16. Do you guys think it'll be a whole number? Be a whole?
Yeah.
You guys think? Oh, you guys are right. So now we're gonna. So do you guys see any ones that we haven't covered yet? Is there anyone on here that we haven't talked about? Cam.
The 1 out of 3.
The 1/3, right? So I'm gonna show you guys a little trick. So you're gonna have your piece of paper and you're gonna fold half of it in the middle, just like this. And then you're gonna take the other one and you're gonna fold it all the way to the end of the paper. And do you guys think it'll be all equal boxes? Let's check. So we have, how many boxes do we have?
3.
3. So we have 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. Do you think it'll match up and be a whole?
Yeah.
Yeah? Perfect fit. So a lot of you, 9 of you guys thought that 1/4 was going to be bigger than 1/2 because the bottom number, the denominator, was larger than 2. Does anyone have a guess on why they think, after doing this little activity, why 1/2 would be bigger? Emily.
Because 1/4 is like, so there's 2/4 on that one, and then and like 4/4 on the one.
So you have to do 4 instead of 2. Is that what you're getting at?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you only have to do 2 of these, and 4 you have to do 4. That was awesome job, Emily. What a great job. So I'm gonna have one person grab me a ruler from their desk. Naya. So I'm going to show you guys another little trick. So we are going to put this right down the middle. So how is 1/2 the same as 2/4? Do you see why? Because 1/2 is the same as 2/4 because it equals up right down the middle, right? So 2/4, Caitlin, come up here real quick. How many 1/8 do we have? 4. So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. 4/8 is the same as 1/2. Okay, let's see. Lyric. What is, when you're adding it up, how many 1/16 do we have? That adds up to 4/8. You can count them too if you want, if it makes it easier. So this one's a little tricky. So we have 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, 6/16, 7/16, 8/16. So 8/16 is the same as 4/8. Does that make sense? Does anyone have any questions? Thumbs up if you guys understood what equivalent fractions is. Perfect. Great job, guys.